Hi there. I want to talk just a little bit about polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS. This is a hormonal condition that many women suffer from today, many more than previously. PCOS involves a problem with normal ovulation. It is a problem that involves insulin resistance and metabolic issues. It's a problem that can cause very alarming and discouraging or concerning symptoms such as hair growth, masculine hair growth on a female body, obesity, not all the time by any means in a person with PCOS, irregular menstrual cycles, pain. And there's not a lot done for this in the world of mainstream medicine. I have a very good success with my clients who have PCOS, and I have a really wonderful webinar video PowerPoint presentation on my website, wondrousroots.org. Drop down in the research files to PCOS, and you'll get so much information there, as well as a proposed daily regimen I would recommend, for your average person, woman with polycystic ovarian syndrome. I have seen very many of my polycystic ovarian syndrome clients have successful pregnancies. We often bring periods into regularity within 1 or 2 cycles using a progesterone challenge. PCOS is beatable, and you can go on and have a really beautiful life and a beautiful family, and you shouldn't be discouraged with that diagnosis. So I hope this information is helpful for you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.